Linda doesn't remember. Today we crossed the equator again.
Today we take the direction of TELOS, where a beautiful wide island is waiting for us. Hello, this is Carlos and I am Linda. We are living in our floating house Mirni Oken. Welcome in our YouTube channel 22 South, where we invite you in our dream for a cycle navigation.
What are we gonna do today?
What are we going to do today? Right now we are sailing and editing, sailing, motoring, and we just leave Nias. And after, I don't know what the plan is of my captain.
Depends of your captain.
Yeah.
So what time?
We change the plans all the time, so I switched now. Be ready for anything.
Okay. So nothing else today?
Apparently we arrive at 3:30 and we have to urgently make water because we have no water. In Telok Dalam the water was around the city is always dirty anyway. So again we cannot clean the dishes, we cannot clean ourselves, but it's okay.
And how about crossing the equator?
Ah yes, we forgot. When is that?
I told you she forgot.
No, I told you yesterday that we are going to cross the equator tomorrow.
Yeah.
And now, yeah, when is that, darling?
That is soon. Now we already crossed.
Really?
Yeah.
No. Are you serious?
No, we didn't yet.
So we have to prepare cremate.
I don't know. No, I think this time we will drink the whiskey boat.
Oh.
So looks like we are surrounded by squalls. Cannot imagine a better way to get near the equator. So there we have one. Then we have this one, like somewhere there, which is exactly where we're going. Is forming another one. Yeah, it will be fun. 4, 3, 2, 1. We have crossed!
For the second crossing of the equator, it's a quick drink with Neptune.
Welcome to the South Hemisphere again.
Okay, let's check the reef. It's very, very deep and the reef arrived very quick. Beautiful place, anyway. We are still moving. Et voila, it's done. Hello. So we arrive in a new island. Beautiful island. And a lot of people come here with their little pirogue. First of all, it was 2 kids, very cute, and they tried to sell us things. I'm cooking at the same time. It's helpful because we need some fruit, so they are going to bring it tomorrow. And after there are a man coming to sell coconuts, so we bought one. After there are these 2 kids coming to ask some food. First we say no, but they insist. So we give them a little bit of food, and after they ask for drink, but they don't want water. Now they want money. They are still here around the boat. So some sailors said that we have to be careful because there are some people who steal in this area. So maybe they are not going to do anything, but it's strange that they are waiting here around the boat, looking everything. Okay, we are going to eat. Good morning, everybody. So tonight Carlos sleep on the couch, not because we fought, but because look, he was sleeping there and he has that here. People was trying to sell something and it was too much. They insist. The kids stay there outside for hours. So we were a bit upset and a bit angry. I don't know how. Irrité. It was completely dark, and two adolescents, I don't know how old they are, maybe 18 years old, I don't know. It was dark. We can see they were young, but it was dark, so we cannot see their face. Arrived. So I said to Carlos, at this moment I was looking outside with a torch, and I said to Carlos, oh, the kids come back. But it was not the kids, it was bigger kids. They said if we wanted to buy coconut or fruit in the middle of the night, for sure. And normally the Indonesian people, they try to sell you things, but not in the middle of the night, not when it's dark. Yeah, we never know, and there's some piracy here, so... Like we promised, we buy the vegetable from the kids and we decide to leave.
It sounds weird, we are saying that, but yeah, it's just too much. You know, it's not one guy, it's like since yesterday maybe 20 boats, 25 little kayaks has come here trying to sell. We are gonna go another anchorage that is supposed to be a bit more quiet. The kids were very nice. We bought vegetables and coconut and things from them, but I think maybe they spoke with people and now everybody comes trying to sell us things. I asked, what are you doing, mate? And I'm staying here. Because it was dark. He was like, okay, money and I go. Money and I go. But just asking money just to leave, it's every boat that comes after us it's gonna be the same.
And we definitely took the right decision.
I'm going spearfishing, and I tell you what, one day will be the day I come back with a fish. And until then, let's play and practice. It's not funny.
Why?
Oh, no fish.
No fish? You sure?
Yeah. No fish.
Oh shit.
Film me another day when I bring fish. Yeah, sardines in cans. More sardines.
Okay.
Good news, I didn't kill any fish. That's good.
Yeah.
I don't like killing fish.
Despite this paradise around us, we don't forget our daily duty. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Is the gauge, the diesel gauge. This one doesn't work. The gauge is what measures the diesel level, what says how many liters we have or we have left. So I'm trying to clean all around because it was dirty. Cross my fingers. And you again? Rojo?
Negro verde.
What is that?
Just banana cake.
Very nice.
Hello everybody, today we have a little course with in the boat Just Dance of freediving. So how many weight did you put?
Just under 10 kilo.
10 kilo?
On the bottom.
And it's enough or... Yeah? Okay, 10 kilos. With a line of 20 meters for... 10 kilos and 20 meters line.
Yeah, as long as you can have something that floats. And I mean, ideally it's bright color in case there's passing boats. But
oh, yeah.
and you can make them.
So sorry, but we didn't have the SD card was full, the SD card of the GoPro, so we didn't have the opportunity to film. I just wanted to give you my impression about the free dive. It was the first time I do that, and I have always problem with my ear. I think my seasickness come from here too. So she gave me an exercise like we put a rope and I have to go down, but stand up. So I have to go down like this. Normally when you free dive you go the head before. Me, I went stand up, and I was really surprised because it was so easy, and the first time I did it I was so surprised that okay, I'm a bit deep, so I didn't do much, but much than I used to do. And the second time I went so deep, not so deep, but for me it was. I go up and I was like, I'm not in the surface, and I was looking, I have so much to do to go back, and I panic. She was with us and she made me sign like everything is okay, but it was really good and I want to do more, so we are going to do more with Carlos. Carlos is back. I don't know, we are going to film him again to see if he catch some fish.
No, darling, no. Stop. Stop.
Darling, no.
No. Tuna. Tuna can't.
Really?
Yeah, really.
How many hours?
I don't know. 3 hours?
Oh, man.
I mean, there is not that much fish.
Yeah, there are no fish in the ocean.
There is not that much fish. They are a lot small. I'm not gonna shoot these ones. And I saw one grouper, but every time I was approaching, he was getting inside the rock. Every time, and I was there for 2 hours waiting for him to go out, and not possible. One more day.
It's okay.
I tried very hard. No success.
C'est pas grave. There is no internet here in this anchorage, so we have to go in the dinghy, and we are going to try to find some what? How do you say that?
Some signal.
Some signal.
20 minutes dinghy, hopefully, around the corner, and hopefully we have signal.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, let's go. We are doing a lot of things to upload video. Here in Indonesia, we are in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the mangrove, because it's the only place where we can catch some internet. And apparently there are some crocodiles, but only in the other side, so here should be okay, hopefully.
Yes, Linda is not afraid of the crocodiles. I trust a Tahitian woman who can crack a coconut with just a stick. So we'll be here uploading videos and checking your messages and answering them, and yeah, that's it.
Bye, thank you.
One day will be the day. Maybe it's today. We will see. Hello again. I'm gonna pick up 2 more pigeons for today. Same thing. Alfonso Medina. This name is familiar. And second name is Michael Mayo. Congratulations!